haven't made a video in a long time. I do this at the start of every single video. Probably. But I really like this white test spec Huracan Spider. It's got the really light blue in it, and I love that. You know what I never noticed is it actually says Huracan Spider up on top. I don't know if you can see that. But yeah, and then it's got the same matching brake calipers, which are really nice. There's a California T599 GTB, 812 super fast. I mean, it is pretty fast. You know, it's got this color shift. This is a paint. It's got color shift paint on this Maserati Gran Turismo, which is not bad at all. Really like that. They got 2 Testarossas, but crowds are around them because they both got their open engine bays, which is pretty nice. GTS, first gen Gallardo with the acid paint on it. It's a Gallardo Spider. It's got this really nice like Superleggera-esque wing. It's got some aftermarket Spider like badging on it. That's cool. It's like super tinted, really nice. Love that. It's not a bad car, not a bad spec at all. Aventador SV. Like, take a look at that. Aventador SV, beautiful spec. It's like, you can notice the tiny difference. This is a lighter color than that. It's got the carbon there. It's all beautiful, man. It's got tinted windows, the massive intake there. SV down the side. It's got matte black there, matte carbon there, matte carbon wing. And it's just absolutely gorgeous, especially sat right next to an almost identically spec'd Gallardo. Really nice. Corvette just pulled in down there, Maserati Levante, nothing really special. 911 Turbo S Cabriolet, not bad. It's got the red interior. It's got like Ferrari carbon all over it, which is weird. Another turbo. Rear-wheel drive R8, one of 999, I believe. Because you can tell because it's got the painted side blades. Yeah. GT3 RS and a nice guards red spec. Seen this R8 so many times. But the carbon, gorgeous in it everywhere. Every single time I see this, I'm like, wow, that's nice carbon. The red accents, just really nice in this R8. RT10, 2017 CCR. Not bad spec at all. I really like the GTR. You can see all the fronts of these cars down there. Oh, that's nice. I'm gonna pull into that right there. What is that? I don't even know. Like 575, I believe. Something like that. And then they got some lesser exotics down here. Like not really exotics. They've got an LS swapped 370Z, so it's a V8. It's got the Corvette engine in it. It's a massive wing. It's really nice. Got the camo wrap on it and everything. It's a rear mounted wing, so it's mounted directly into the body panel. It's got the body panel like kind of roughly cut open there. And the license plate is LS 370Z, so that's cool.
You see a 575?
Yeah, I saw it. Oof, the chrome. Oh, the chrome. Oh, the chrome. Oh, the chrome. Oh. Doesn't sound bad either. That guy left so long ago. Why is he back suddenly?
I don't know where.